to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how you can recover a archive like a video or photo if WhatsApp don't let you download again. That problem maybe is for you delete the archive or on of the gallery or the intern or the inside archive of your phone. Maybe for accident you delete that archive and you can't download again of WhatsApp because you don't have it in your phone. So you can do two things. The first solution is you speak to the person who sent to you that archive, and that person can send to you that archive again. Or you can go to the settings, and here in settings you need to find the option of app management, and after that you need to go to app list, and in app list you will go to search WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp you need to pick here in storage and cache, and pick in clear cache in the down right corner here in clear cache, and you can clear the cache of the app, and after that you restore the app, and you can see again if the WhatsApp let to you download that archive again. So that is the two solutions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.